To connect printer with Honor 600 Pro, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to navigate down to more connections options, and then there's the option for a printer. Now inside you can click on default print service, and then you can enter pairing mode on your specific printer. Now every printer may have different options for pairing mode, so just look up your printer model and type in how to enter pairing mode. When you're in pairing mode for that printer, you should be able to discover it right here. Now if this option doesn't work, you can go back to the print service, select add service, and then select the printer brand that you own from this list, or search the printer brand using the search button. Click on the one that that you want to install, and then when that brand service is installed, you'll be able to go back again to the printing, select print service that you've downloaded, and then pick a printer from the list when it's in the pairing mode. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.